Okay, hello. This is a quick overview of the HomeControl app for macOS. Upon launching the app, it opens up with this collection view menu, which you can resize or orient any way that you like. It is configured in Preferences. So if I go to Preferences here, it first opens up with the Device Groups menu. These are the different buttons that I have here in this collection view. I can say if I wanted to change the icon for my office lights, I could pick a new image here and it switches here as well as here. I can also change the order by dragging the item to a different location in the list. In order to configure devices with this program, you need to go to API authorization settings. For if I had no IP in here, for HuBridge, if you have an internet connection, find IP button should, as long as there's nothing abnormal about your network, you should be able to click that. It'll ping the Hue server and come back with your internal IP for your HuBridge. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can manually type in an IP address here. And once you do that, you would be able to use the get user key to get the user key for the application. Every application specified by Philips Hue requires its own user key on the HuBridge. In order to do that, you click the Get User Key button and it comes up with this message. This will keep trying to ping the bridge every 5 seconds for 2 minutes. So I'm going to go hit the button on my bridge right now. Okay, I just hit the button on the HuBridge and I can now see a success. In addition to this success, the program has already automatically added all of the lights on the HuBridge into the device list in the program. I can close that. I can save my settings. Now that I have the key there, I can go to the device list menu, and this is where I have all the devices for my different devices that I use. In the group menu here, pull down, I can switch which group each device belongs to. So if I wanted the foyer downlights to be in the office lights group, I could just pick that there, and then when I click on office lights in the collection view, it will turn on not only my office lights but now my foyer down lights too, because I have them in the same group. I don't need to have my foyer down lights on right now though, so I can turn those off and switch that back to kitchen foyer, because these are where this is the group that I want to control my foyer down lights. There is also a scene menu that can be opened, and you can add scenes or remove scenes here, but every scene, when you select the scene, it will have, you can add devices or remove devices from the scene. And in this office blue dim scene, I have one light on and one light off for the scene, and I've also specified exactly the color that I want my light to be and the brightness. If I wanted to quick switch to a different scene, I just pick a different scene, and it now turns on my desk lamp and changes the color of my office light. I can set my living room up for a party, and it changes all my light colors to different specifications that I've already inserted in there when I added the device and changed the settings. Or I can move it back to the standard scene where I have the normal colors that I usually would use for this scene. That's the HomeControl for macOS. It offers full control of brightness, colors, saturation of all different types of devices. You can pick what groups you want them in. You can change the order. You can alter your menu here for your collection view of all your stuff and have quick access to it. This will, when the program is in the foreground, these light statuses will update automatically. So if you were on your phone or something, I have my phone right here and I decide that I want to turn off the desk lights, the app will update, and you'll see the desk lamp turns off here and the office portable light turns off here. Without me doing anything, it automatically syncs the status among all of the phones and computers that are using these devices. It also has an option to save the configuration. Like if I like the way this is set up, I can save it here and it'll come up with a prompt where I can save a file name. And then later, if I wanted to reload that configuration, I can access it through the open configuration option. That's it. HomeControl. It's basic control. It controls colors, groups, scenes for all your lights. It's easy to use. Thank you.